is the backside of Pierson Park. I've already got most of this on video, so I'm riding with a buddy I met up here. His name's Samson. He lives in Estes. I gotta lock in my water thing here before it gets, there we go. Man, I did not feel 100% today, but I figured I'd give it a whirl anyway. So I've been messing with the suspension on the bike, and I think I've knocked the balance of the bike off. I might have done too much. I'm down a couple clicks from stock in the front. Holy crap. Jeez. Ooh. And I'm down one click in the back to soften everything up. When I say down one click, I mean soften it. Louise, man. Oh, these guys are coming up. Almost just fell over. Not even gonna lie. This bike is too freaking tall for me, man. I've got to get this thing lowered at least an inch. Not two. I've dumped this bike more times than anything just because of how freaking tall it is. Oh, something else I'm doing today. I did too many things, I know I did, but something else I'm trying today is map switch. Trying to use it so that I can retard the power to the rear. You can see it's on the white here. Yep. And man, is it different. Makes it so that I can sit down a lot easier and tractor up stuff. But I'm still kind of getting used to seeing what I really like. So far, I like this map switch better though than the Sunny Sky blue one, because that one is all power to the rear wheel all the time. I've been wanting to do this for a while, just to check it out. Jeeps can no longer get across this anymore. Only dirt bikes now. My buddy Samson here knows the way, so I told him he should lead. This is pretty cool. Like some single track. Lots of people been through here, that's for sure. So that's the landslide right there. Pretty freaking cool, man. That's it. Woo! Wouldn't think that'd be that hard. But for me it was. Dude, what a pain. These rocks, I suck in. And the fact, this bike is so tall. God. Toasty! It's overheating again. So annoying, dude. This thing with me is not very good on this type of stuff. It doesn't tractor slow enough, dude. It just wants to freaking rip up everything. I'm gonna have to go up 2 teeth in the rear. It's at 48. I'm gonna have to bump that rear sprocket up to 50 and see if I like it better. Dude, there's no reason I shouldn't have made it up that.
You see, that's an easy spot. The first time I ever tried to find it, it's coming from this side, and the way you would find it is that way.
Toasty! Is it? Toasty! Dude, I should...
So narrow and so many Toasty! Rocks.
Toasty! I should have been able to come right up that, dude. I don't know why I can't, other than I'm tired.
Probably just hesitate. That's the problem with me. I'll hesitate and be like, oh, I did it. Toasty! You hesitate for half a second.
Yeah, I'll watch the video later and see.
There is a really sweet hill climb if we went back that goes up and climbs that whole hill, but it's like thick. Toasty! Toasty! Glass, but it's sketchy as
Toasty! Is it?
But it's like, it's pretty steep, but you can't really stop.
I'm gonna take some time trying to just tractor up this. Huh?
It's really easy up there.
Oh. Holy Toasty! Toasty! Jeez! Just gotta, this bike does not like to tractor. Not the way the suspension is. It just doesn't feel right, man. It just feels like it's coming right out from underneath me. This, however, is freaking awesome. Trying to keep an eye on my temps. Running at 230 right now. Wow, it's beautiful up here. cars up here. I don't know if I almost feel like I took too much air pressure out of that front freaking tire. The smallest thing just throws that thing, my front end, for a loop, man. Freaking crazy, dude.
Look at that valley you drove.
I know. That is gorgeous, man.
Yeah, it gets a little tight up in here.
Oh, good. I'll follow you then.
That's where the trees are. Just keep your distance a little bit.
Sweet.
Yeah, keep your distance.
Oh, this is awesome. Finally, some single track. Got it. Pretty cool. Looks like a lot of people have been this way too. Trees, he wasn't kidding. Woo, my bar barely fit through there. This is pretty neat. How the heck did he? Almost went for a ride. I don't even know where the hell he went. Obviously, some people have been through here because they've cleared a trail. that's what you want to call it. That is fun. What was this called?
What? This is the flood of 2014.
Oh, okay.
That's what caused it. It rained for 7 days non-stop, and they got like twice their yearly rainfall in those 2 weeks.
Wow.
And there's landslides that happen all over. There's another one on the other side of the mountain that washed out that way.
Huh.
But yeah, see, this is about where I think I'd stop. Last time I got to here, then you gotta go up that.
That doesn't actually look horrible, but coming up this way does. Does it? All right, I'm gonna start playing around. Take your time. Oh, oh my gosh, that would have been really bad. Jeez. Almost got freaking javelin by that thing back there. That was nuts.